Hello YouTube, I have a new product courtesy of Banggood and I wanted to show it to you. It was on my wish list for a long time and I kept looking. I couldn't decide which one to buy, and I finally decided one and they did send it to me. Thank you again, Banggood. And let me just show you the screenshot of the actual product page, as you can see, and I will put an affiliate link to the description of this video. This is actually part 1 of the video, because most people do this kind of video where they show the product and whatnot and talk about it, but I haven't seen, I think, any, or maybe 1 or 2, or I don't even remember if I did, where people actually install it in the car and show it in the car working. So this is the manual you're getting in English, and hold on just a second, let me do it this way so you can read it easily, and you can go ahead and pause the video here and read it yourself, because if I want to go and read all this to you, you're not gonna understand anything anyway. So this is the front page, page 1, page 2, and this is the back page. So you can quite adjust everything on it. Set your alarms, set it for PSI or bar or Fahrenheit or Celsius, degree Celsius. So this was that, the part that nobody wants to see, the manual. And this is this is a device. It comes with a wire, a sticky gluey thing that you can use on your dash, the wrench, nuts, and the sensors, of course. These are, as you see, external sensors, and I have to say they are quite small. I have seen some bigger ones and I didn't like them, and these are really nice. Battery life on the sensors up to 3 years, not 5, 3 years. And the way you mount them is you first put the nut on the stem and then screw the sensor on it, and then tighten the nut against the sensor. So that is the proper way to install them. And now let's get to the good stuff. I'm very positively surprised about the build quality of this, and for geeks like me who have to take everything apart first to see what's inside, it has 4 screws easily in the open, not hidden under any pads or something, and it's not pushed together, so you have to almost break it to open it. So that's that. This is your charging port if you want to charge it externally. It has a nice slim case. Here you have the obvious solar panel, on-off button, left menu, right button. And let's turn this beauty on. You hold and press for 3 seconds and you have your screen. I'm getting temperature readings. I don't know if this was maybe tested before, and maybe the sensors are already paired to the device. So these are your temperature readings. Here you will have the bar reading or PSI, depending on what you like. And you have a nice car logo, which sometimes they just look ugly, but this one looks nice. And here you have your battery indicator, and this is the indicator to see if it's receiving sunlight. So if I cover the sensor up, it will go away. If I open it up again, it will come on. So obviously you know when it's sunny out there, but this has an indicator for it. I will mount it in my car in the center console underneath the AC dials, so it will not receive any sunlight. So that's why I'm gonna use a USB cable to charge it. You can of course use the sticky thing and put it on top of your dash, but I do not want to do that. So this is it. Again, I'm very surprised. It's very nice quality ABS, nicely built, and the screen is nice. It looks even better in person than on the video. And I normally do not like LCD displays, but this one is really nice. So this is actually part 1 of the video. As I said, I will mount it in the car, install the sensors, and make a video then and show it to you in the car. So this was it. Thank you again, Banggood, that you have sent this to me. Appreciate it, of course. And if you want to buy it, you can use, if you like, affiliate link that I will put in the description. And I also wanted to thank everybody who became a patron to my Patreon page, and thank you again. And if you like to do it as well, the link is also in the description. Every little helps to buy more electronics and stuff. As I have too many ideas, then it's good for me. So this is it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will, as always, answer them. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in part 2. Take care.